Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. So I have a lot of repeat purchases and a lot of new finds. So let's just jump right in. So I got some foil sheets, the Reynolds wrap kind. There's only 25 in here. They did not have the Dollar Tree brand, which I do prefer, but on a whim I grabbed these. Tissues, the 140 count paper towels, 2 of the toilet papers, the Ellie's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent. Love that stuff actually. I got another one of the Swabs completes. I like this a lot, and I like that they have it in a lot of different scents. I also picked up a dryer sheets. This is a 40 count in honeysuckle. A gray soap dispenser. And they actually had this in white, brown, black, gray, and a blue shade. And there was different styles to choose from, but this is one I like the best. I got a solid gel air freshener from Glade and Fresh Linen for the bathroom. I picked up 3 AA batteries, a value pack of the Scrub Buddy Nail Guard sponges, and these are great. I also picked up a new little scrubber brush from Brillo. I needed sandwich bags, and I've already opened those. I got 2 Good Sense Handle tall kitchen bags, the vanilla ones. I love these. And a multi-pack of the plastic forks and spoons and knives for lunch boxes. I did find a couple DVDs yesterday, and I picked up The Blue Planet, and this is like a documentary kind of thing from BBC, and it's on seasonal seas and coral seas. And if you didn't know this about me, I literally love learning anything I can about the ocean. I'm so fascinated by ocean and ocean life. Like, I just love it. It's total mystery. Like, love. And Best of Duck Dynasty. And this is a $9 sticker on it, $10 sticker up here, and I thought for $1, you know, why not? I picked up some more hand sanitizer, another package of these 30 count antibacterial wet wipes, and these are safe for your hands and your face, so they're like perfect for Connor, and I've already went through a box of these and they're fantastic. I picked up this children's night time cold and cough, just because it was something I found on a whim. More prepper kind of items just to have back in the cabinet for when we need them. I got 2 of these emergency 1,000 milligram vitamin C packets, and there's 2 in each of these, so I picked up 2 of those for immune boost, a nasal decongestant, and a mucus relief, all just in preparation of just in case we need it. In the health and beauty aisle, I picked up a bunch of repeat purchases as well. So I did get 2 of these loofahs. I got a purple one and a green one. I got a secret deodorant. I have, the past month, I tried 3 other additional deodorants, and I absolutely hate them. I will probably never stray away from Secret as long as I continue to make it again. So this is where it's at. Cotton swabs, 300 count, and I found these scented hand wipes. They had them in a couple other scents, but I picked up coconut, and this Silk Guidance Hair Care Pro Formula 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I thought we'd try that out. Yeah, I got a new scrunchie. It's got these pretty flowers on there, and it's in this like green color. I found these April Bath and Showers hand cream therapy set, and there's a cranberry and a cinnamon. The cranberry smells amazing, very nice and fruity. Cinnamon doesn't smell so cinnamon at all, mainly just a light kind of scent. And these are thick and nice formula. I tried them last night. And I'm just going to go ahead and share this now, just because this is the only makeup item I found that I thought was worth picking up. This is the matte foundation from LA Colors. It's in porcelain, which is the lightest shade, and actually this might be a little too light for me. But this is the one that looked closest to my skin tone, so I grabbed this one to try out. some school finds because I needed them. They had 2 packs of licensed folders, and of course I picked up Jurassic Park for him. He loves Jurassic Park, so the one has blue on it, and then the other one has this giant dinosaur on there, and that one's pretty neat. And I was running low on the index cards that I use for Connor spelling words and sight words, and I picked up this 200 pack at Dollar Tree, which is always a really good deal. More face masks, and he loves Dr. Seuss, Cat in the Hat, so I picked him up the Cat in the Hat pencils. I also had Oh, the Places You'll Go, Horton, Here's a Who, and maybe one other kind that I can't remember, but yeah, I grabbed Cat in the Hat for him. These are super cute printed pencils. He cannot use these at school. They're not supposed to have like printed pencils, but at home he can surely use these with his Dr. Seuss erasers. And because we thought his water bottle got stolen, actually, I did pick up a cheap water bottle there. This has a snack container on the bottom, and the reason why I just picked up another cheap one is because at $14 a pop, I'm not going to pay that again, especially if it gets lost or stolen. I've learned my parent lesson. So yeah, I just grabbed a $1 one, and this matches his Minecraft backpack, so win-win. Okay, and the last and final finds are either finds that I'm going to put back for Halloween bucket, Halloween decorating, or maybe a stocking stuffer. I'm not entirely sure, but all the rest of the finds are so fun and so cute. I was hoping I would eventually find these little mock Lego blocks, and this is a zombie set, and you get 2 zombies and 1 fighter. And Connor's gonna love this. He loves little Lego men. He loves it. I also found these Recycle Me and return your recyclables into art. And he loves robots too, so I thought he would really enjoy that. I also found this huge sticker book yesterday. It has 300 plus stickers in it. Another thing he really enjoys is stickers. So I'm gonna put those back. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do with them yet. Now this, actually, I may put in with the Halloween stuff. I just haven't decided. I did pick him up a Frankenstein cup to go in his Halloween bucket. And these cute little stampers. The Halloween owl as well. Also, before the decorations, I picked up this wooden pumpkin color your own decor kind of thing. And of course we'll be doing this before Halloween, but I picked that up in that just. And I also picked up this skull, and it's on a stand, but I'm actually going to take the stand off and make one of those bleach shirts using this. And I didn't get the Happy Halloween or the directly related Halloween stuff because I'd like him to be able to wear the shirt longer than just around Halloween. So I picked that up. I picked up this really cute ghost garland. I just thought that was really cute. This is 59 inches. And there is white and orange and maybe some black bats in there or something in this garland. So this is super cute. Picked up this fright tape, and it says danger, and has all these bats. It totally reminded me of Batman, so that's why I chose this one. They also had one that said crime scene and a bunch of other stuff, but I just really liked this one. So that's what it looks like at the bottom. And I also picked up, they also had these in white and orange as well, but I chose green. I got the glow-in-the-dark skeleton, and he's 3 feet, and that's what he looks like. And that, my friends, is my Dollar Tree haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.